Step into the serene world of modern Scandinavian minimalism, a design style that's all about simplicity, functionality, and natural beauty. Today, we'll explore how to create a home that's both calming and effortlessly stylish. If you're passionate about stunning interiors, make sure to hit subscribe for more inspiration. Now, let's dive in, and wait until you see the stunning outdoor space we've saved for last. Step into the entryway, where Scandinavian minimalism begins to unfold. The space is bright and airy, with walls painted in crisp, white tones that reflect the natural light streaming in. The floor is laid with light, blonde wood, its grain subtle but warm, creating a welcoming yet unobtrusive base for the space. A simple, sleek bench made of natural oak stands against one wall, paired with a set of black metal coat hooks above it, a perfect blend of form and function. Beneath the bench, a pair of minimalist, woven baskets offer practical storage, keeping the space clutter-free. On the opposite wall, a narrow console table made of light wood holds just a few carefully chosen objects: a small potted plant that adds a touch of green, a modern ceramic bowl for keys and essentials, and a minimalist lamp that casts a soft, warm glow. The overall atmosphere is one of calm and order, setting the tone for the rest of the home. Moving into the living room, the theme of simplicity and functionality continues. The room is centered around a large, modular sofa in a soft, neutral gray, its low profile and clean lines embodying the essence of Scandinavian design. The sofa is complemented by a single armchair in a warm, natural leather, its Scandinavian design evident in its sleek, curved lines and minimalist form. In front of the sofa, a simple coffee table made of light wood stands on thin black metal legs, its design both practical and elegant. On the table, a single vase with fresh eucalyptus branches adds a touch of nature, while a stack of magazines and a small tray with a few candles keep the space uncluttered. The focal point of the living room is a large frameless mirror that hangs above a minimalist media console. The mirror reflects the light from the large windows, making the room feel even more spacious and airy. The console itself is a simple, floating design in white, with a few closed compartments that keep electronics and clutter out of sight. A soft woolen rug in a muted tone covers the floor, its texture adding warmth and comfort without overwhelming the space. The overall feeling is one of peace and simplicity, a space where every item has a purpose and nothing is superfluous. Stepping into the kitchen, you're greeted by a space that is as functional as it is beautiful. The cabinetry is sleek and handle-free, finished in a soft matte white that seamlessly blends with the walls. The countertops are made of light gray quartz, their smooth, clean surfaces perfect for meal preparation. Above the countertops, open shelves in light wood offer a place to display a few essential items: white ceramic dishes, glass jars with pantry staples, and a couple of potted herbs. The centerpiece of the kitchen is a large island that doubles as a workspace and a casual dining area. The island's base is a pale wood, which adds warmth to the otherwise minimalist space, and it is topped with the same gray quartz as the countertops. Around the island, A set of minimalist bar stools in black metal with natural wood seats provide a place for casual meals or morning coffee. Overhead, a pair of simple pendant lights with white shades hang low, casting a soft, diffused light over the island. The backsplash is a simple white tile in a subway pattern, its glossy finish reflecting the light and adding a touch of texture to the space. The overall vibe of the kitchen is one of understated elegance. Every detail has been thoughtfully considered to create a space that is both beautiful and highly functional. Transitioning into the dining room, the theme of Scandinavian minimalism continues. The dining table is a simple yet striking design, a long, rectangular piece made of light oak, its clean lines and natural finish epitomizing the Scandinavian aesthetic. Around the table, a set of minimalist chairs with thin black metal frames and light wood seats offer comfortable seating without cluttering the visual space. Above the table, a single, large pendant light with a matte white finish hangs from a thin black cord, its minimalist design perfectly complementing the rest of the room. The walls are kept bare, with just one piece of abstract art in muted tones providing a subtle focal point. On the table, a simple white ceramic vase with a few sprigs of greenery adds a touch of nature, while a linen runner in a soft, neutral shade provides a hint of texture. The dining room is a place for gathering, for sharing meals, and moments with family and friends. It's a space that feels both intimate and open, where the focus is on connection and the beauty of simplicity. The master bedroom is a serene retreat, a place where Scandinavian minimalism truly shines. The bed is the focal point of the room, its simple, upholstered headboard in a soft gray fabric offering both comfort and style. The bedding is kept neutral and layered, a mix of crisp, white linens and soft woolen throws in shades of gray and beige, creating a cozy and inviting place to rest. On either side of the bed, minimalist nightstands in light wood hold just a few essentials: a sleek modern lamp with a black metal base, a small dish for jewelry or a watch, and a single book or magazine. The walls are painted in a soft, warm white with a single piece of art above the bed, a black and white photograph of a tranquil landscape, adding to the room's sense of calm. The floor is covered with a simple flat weave rug in a light gray, its texture adding warmth without overwhelming the space. A single armchair in the corner, upholstered in soft, natural linen, offers a quiet spot to relax or read. The bedroom is a sanctuary, a place where the outside world falls away, leaving only a sense of peace and tranquility. And now, for the final reveal, the outdoor space, where modern Scandinavian minimalism meets nature. As you step outside, you're greeted by a simple yet stunning patio area, framed by clean, geometric lines and surrounded by lush, green landscaping. The patio is paved with large, light gray stones, their smooth surfaces creating a seamless transition from indoors to outdoors. In the center of the patio, a modern square fire pit made of concrete serves as both a focal point and a gathering place. Around it, a few simple wooden benches with black metal legs offer seating, their minimalist design in perfect harmony with the rest of the space. Above, a string of simple, white LED lights is strung across the patio, their soft glow creating a warm, inviting atmosphere as the sun sets. The seating area is bordered by tall, slim planters made of black metal, each one filled with a mix of grasses and evergreens that add texture and movement to the space. To one side, a small dining area with a simple wooden table and chairs offers a place for outdoor meals, surrounded by the beauty of nature. This outdoor space is the perfect extension of the home's interior, simple, functional, and effortlessly stylish. It's a place to relax, to unwind, to enjoy the beauty of nature in a space that feels both modern and timeless. We've explored the serene and functional world of modern Scandinavian minimalism, a design philosophy that embraces simplicity, natural materials, and a sense of calm. Which part of this minimalist journey spoke to you the most? If you found inspiration in this tour, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Visionary Designs for more content like this. Let us know in the comments what elements of Scandinavian minimalism you love. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep dreaming of beautiful, simple spaces. Goodbye for now.